Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to activate your account on Uber. Alright, let's begin. First of all, there are two things that you need to keep in mind. First, suppose you've deactivated your account, and you haven't passed 30 days, then you can just log into your Uber account without any problem. Just go to Uber, log in, and it will activate your account. However, if 30 days have passed, get to Google and search for Uber customer service. Now, after searching for that, you have to go to the first link, and then you just have to click on this Writer section. Now in the Writer section, you have to go to Account, and then you can select, I can't sign into my account. After that, you'll be able to find the right solution for you. Here, you will need to enter your name, your phone number, and they will be able to help you reactivate your account. So that's basically how you can activate your account on Uber. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.